Hello friends, this is Claude here from Custom T-shirt Printing. I get this question quite often. What size should I buy? So I'm going to be sharing with you how to find out the size of a shirt, because as you notice, this shirt here is from a company called Next Level. This one is from Ask Color and this one is from GILDAN. Now each of these shirts are slightly different in their fitting. So they could have a medium shirt, but the medium in centimeters for a next level and an ash color could be totally different. I'm going to share with you how. So please pay attention. This video will not be very long, but it'll save you frustration when you get shirts that don't fit you. Okay, so we're not going to worry about adding designs because I've done that in another video, but I want you to look at the left hand column. So when you click on the icon or the picture of a shirt in the on the previous site or page, you'll land up on this page. This is the design area where if you add a design or a text or team name, it'll land up in this area. Now, I want you to look at this more product info. It's not hyperlinked in a blue text, so it looks pretty much like these texts here. But if you hover over it, you'll notice that it is a hyperlink. So I want you to click on it. And then what we're going to look at is, before we do that, let's just have a look at these sizes are in medium, large, extra large, etc. That's not very helpful information. So if you click on more product info, this little pop-up chart appears. You'll see the extra small, medium, large, and then you'll see chest centimeters. This is from the left hand side to the right hand side of your chest. And if you have a belly, especially guys, if you have a belly and you invest in your belly over the years, go for a size little slightly bigger. In fact, take your measurement around your belly, because if you try an XL, if you've got a big belly, you might need a 2XL or 3XL, depends how big you are. Another thing to bear in mind here is if you move your cursor and again go up here, even though it says click here for size chart, sometimes you might not realize this is a clickable link. So if you click here, this next level shirt will have the size charts here again. The same what you saw on the previous page, but this is what you see here. So let's look at medium. The medium in chest is 52 centimeters. I'm going to go to the ash color and let's look at a medium there and see if there's any different. So to change the product, I'll click change product, and this is because and this is from the normal range. So I'm just going to go product by brand, and that's this page here. Okay, so men's staple tee, the medium shirt. So let's go for medium. This is the one we're going to choose. All right, but it doesn't tell us much, so we click on product. Remember the other one was 52 centimeters, and here it's 52 as well. So these two are the same. But in the women's shirt, let me have a look at the women's shirt. If you go to women's shirt and you look at more product, the medium, click here for size chart, the medium is 50.5. So this is very important. If you are looking at a shirt, make sure you go to the size chart of that specific shirt from the specific manufacturer and then take a tape measure and measure. I hope I've been helpful here. Look out for other videos that we have on our site to help your t-shirt printing and designing more effective. Thank you. This is Claude from Custom T-shirt Printing.